Welcome back to Wheel World, your trusted source for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that may not be flashy, but it's an absolute workhorse in India, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco 7-seater. Known for its utility, reliability, and unbeatable value, the Eeco continues to be a top choice for public service and commercial use across the country. Proven practicality. The 2025 model of the Maruti Eeco builds upon its legacy with subtle updates that maintain its rugged simplicity. It's not a car built for luxury, but rather, for those who value space, durability, and fuel efficiency. From ambulances to school vans, from cargo transport to ride-share fleets, the Eeco is a favorite among small business owners and government services alike. Design and dimensions. The Eeco maintains its familiar boxy design, which maximizes interior space. Its compact footprint makes it easy to navigate through narrow Indian roads, while still offering generous headroom and legroom for all 7 occupants. The sliding door feature is not only practical but essential in crowded urban settings where space is tight. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Eeco comes with a 1.2L advanced K-series dual-jet engine, tuned for efficiency and low maintenance. It delivers around 80 bhp with 104 Nm of torque, enough for city runs and moderate highway drives. The petrol and CNG variants give users flexibility in fuel choices, with the CNG model offering impressive mileage of over 26 km per kilogram. For many, especially those using the vehicle for daily public services, this translates into real savings. Safety and features. The 2025 Eeco is now equipped with basic but essential safety features. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system all come standard. While the dashboard remains simple, it's functional, with a digital instrument cluster and manual AC for front passengers. Utility takes priority here, and rightly so. Public service champion. This is where the Eeco shines brightest. Whether it's transporting children to school, ferrying patients to hospitals, or helping small vendors deliver goods across town, the Eeco is often the first choice. Its low running cost, durable chassis, and ample space make it a public service hero, especially in semi-urban and rural India, where affordability and serviceability matter more than high-end features. Ownership and cost. One of the key reasons the Eeco continues to thrive is its low cost of ownership. Maruti Suzuki's extensive service network, availability of affordable spares, and the vehicle's simple mechanicals ensure that even after years of use, maintenance stays budget-friendly. The on-road price for the 2025 Eeco 7-seater starts around 6 lakh rupees for the petrol version, and just slightly more for the CNG variant, making it one of the most cost-effective 7-seaters in India. Conclusion. In a market full of flashy SUVs and feature-loaded hatchbacks, the Maruti Suzuki Eeco stands tall as a reliable, hard-working vehicle built for the people. It may not turn heads, but it definitely wins hearts, especially in the public service sector. If you're someone looking for a practical, affordable, and spacious vehicle for work or community service, the 2025 Eeco 7-seater deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Wheel World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cars and bikes that move India forward, one wheel at a time. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover version or script for a short or reel too.